Good morning, good morning, friends. Hi, I am Keshav Zadav. Today we discuss digital multimeter specifications. This digital multimeter make is HAOU, have you, and model number is DT830D. Digital multimeters. So the number of parameter this digital multimeter, it can be measured the DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, AC current, frequency, diode, continuity test, NPN, PNP transistors. This all that parameter we can measure this digital multimeters. There are three terminals here common: voltage, ohm and milliampere terminal, second terminal, third terminal is 10 ampere currents. Okay, but this now digital multimeters, the AC current is not measured here. This digital multimeter just only DC ampere, 10 ampere, maximum DC current is 10 ampere available here. Okay, so today we discuss about that one by one. So this is off button. Okay, so DC voltage, what is the range? Starts from DC voltage 200 millivolt, 2000 millivolt, 20 volt, 200 volt, 1000 volt. This is the DC voltage parameter, DC voltage range. Okay, now the next is that AC voltage parameter. 20 volt starts from 20 volt, 750 volt. Okay, and next goes to be the DC current. DC current starts from 200 microampere, 20 milliampere, 200 milliampere and 10 ampere. This is the DC current range, but AC current is not range mentioned in this digital multimeter. Okay, now the next is the square wave signal is there. Square wave it can measure. Now the continuity and diode testings, this continuity and this parameter we can measure now. Now the resistance range also measure. Now the resistance range starts from 200 ohm, 200 ohm, 200 ohm, 2000 ohm, 20 kilo, 200 kilo, 2000 kilo. Okay, so 2000 kilo ohm, the resistance range starts from 200 ohm to 2000 kilo ohm. Okay, and this thing is that NPN and PNP transistors we can measure now. Okay, so this is the digital multimeter. The number of parameter we can measure now: DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, diode testing, continuity testing, and square wave testings, and resistance range also testings. NPN, PNP transistor measure now. Okay, and there are three terminals. We already discussed that three terminals common: voltage, ohm, milliampere range and DC current range. Okay, so and this is the test probe. So thank you very much. This is the all included in that digital multimeter. Thank you.